Hello everyone. So today we will discuss delegation of authority. So delegation of authority, firstly we will talk about authority. What is authority? Authority refers to the power or right given to an individual or group to make decision, enforce rules and command or direct others within an organization or system. It is a fundamental aspect of management and organizational structure, enabling the execution of tasks and achievement of objective. अथॉरिटी क्या है? जहां पर कोई इंडिविजुअल या ग्रुप डिसीजन ले सकता है, जैसे विच रूल्स आर अप्लाइड एंड हाउ टू डायरेक्ट and lead the other people in the organization so that the process help to execute the task and help to achieving the goals of the organization. And next is delegation of authority. Delegation of authority is the legitimate power or right granted to individuals or group to make decision, give orders and enforce obedience within a specific scope of responsibility. It is derived from the organizational hierarchy and is essential for effective management and control. Delegation of authority is a legitimate power, मतलब legal power है, और राइट ग्रांटेड टू इंडिविजुअल मतलब किसी इंडिविजुअल या ग्रुप को क्या किया जाता है, एक राइट डेलीगेट किया जाएगा, सो दे विल टेक decision and give order and enforce obedience within a specific scope of responsibility. They have to give orders and enforce the obedience towards their goals achieving and responsible to their responsibility for the organization. And elements of delegation. The first is authority. Authority is the power given to person or group of people to act and make decision boundaries. When delegating a task, the authority is shared between the manager and to the person delegated. अथॉरिटी किसके बीच में होगी? मैनेजर और जो जिस पर्सन को क्या मिली है, पूरा प्रतिनिधित्व मिला है अथॉरिटी का उसके पास, सो वो लोग क्या कर सके, जो भी ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल है उसमें क्या है, मतलब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जो भी लोग काम कर रहे हैं उनको क्या कर सके, अच्छे से लीड कर सके, मतलब उनको अच्छे से समझा सके उनके काम के बारे में एंड मेक डिसीजन with very efficiently. And next is responsibility. Responsibility refers to the act of carrying out the task. When delegating a task, the manager and the person receiving the delegation share the responsibility of completing the work. Responsibility is that to do a task with a responsibility. When a person receiving a deputation or delegation to share the responsibility of completing the work very efficiently and effectively towards the organization. Next is accountability. Accountability is the act of being liable for a person, action and decision. During the delegation of tasks, the accountability transfers from the manager to the delegated who is actually completing the work. What is accountability? It is an act when a person liable to a action and decision. ये क्या है, मतलब एक काम करने का तरीका है. जब भी इंसान क्या होता है, जब भी कोई पर्सन है एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या मैनेजमेंट में, वो क्या है अपने डिसीजन और एक्शन लेने के लिए तैयार हो, मतलब किस तरीके से वो अपने डिसीजन ले रहा है, दैट इज अकाउंटेबल फॉर देयर वर्क. When the delegation of a task, accountability transferred a manager to delegated who is completing the work. So I hope आपको ये वीडियो इंफॉर्मेटिव लगी हो. Thank you.